In June of 2020, my dad and I started building a she shed, hoping we could finish construction in 6 months. I look back now and I laugh, because I should have known. I should have known it would take longer than 6 months. I should have known we were in over our heads. But maybe I did know. Maybe I knew what we were getting into, and that was okay with me. Maybe I knew this would be a welcome distraction from a world in turmoil and a 2020 none of us envisioned. Maybe I knew this would be unlike anything we've ever done before. Maybe I knew we were up for the challenge. My dad and I have been building things together since the day I was born. He taught me all the cliches like measure twice, cut once, and to always do it right the first time. In the beginning, I didn't know anything about camera work or editing. I showed you most of the progress in fast forward, but today, I'm slowing it down. On the outside, it looked like time-lapsed videos and making a lot of progress. But what the camera doesn't show is the 12-hour days drenched in sweat and the times we took 1 step forward only to take 2 steps back. We spent a lot of time laughing and dreaming, but also a lot of time bickering and apologizing. I cried. A lot. I have some big dreams wrapped up in this little shed. It can be so hard to know something good is coming, but not know exactly when. Patience doesn't even begin to describe what I learned during this process. I spent a lot of hours listening to podcasts, growing spiritually, and building a better version of myself while building this space. I thought a lot about how Jesus was a carpenter for a reason, because he specializes in making beauty out of dust. I thought this project would be a lot of physical work, but I had no idea about all of the heart work that would take place. I spent a lot of time listening and learning, but I also spent a lot of time in silence, letting my mind wander to all of the ways I hope this shed allows me space to think. A clear head isn't something I've had in a while. Alone time is a foreign concept. I can't believe I used to live alone. Living with family seems so routine now, and I know more people relate to that than ever. I probably thanked God 10,000 times that we have the space to build this, that we have a yard big enough and enough room between the trees to make a tiny haven. I thought when we started building this that it was because I was lacking something and wanted to fill a void. Maybe I was trying to fill a void, but I certainly wasn't lacking anything. Now I see that it will be a place that reflects the abundance I have been given. The abundance of grace, mercy, peace, and hope. I couldn't have made it through the last few years without these gifts. And that's why it's my heart's greatest desire to share them and point others to abundant life. I took a second to write some dreams on the wall behind where my desk will sit. I wrote, I will write books, write Bible studies, flip houses, drive cross country, hike the Grand Canyon. Some of them are fun adventures, others are dreams I'm fully placing in the hands of God. I'll be obedient to build, to write, to speak, and to create. And I'll trust Him to carry the message to whoever needs to hear it. I have eternal hope, and there's a world out there starving for it. I believe now that my voice and my story matter. I didn't believe that a few years ago. I believe God didn't give me this dose of creativity to use for my own gain, but for His glory. We are a family of creatives, and every single person I love, including my sweet friends, has helped me along this journey. Some people paint, some people bake, we build. I hope you know that your voice and your talents matter too. You don't have to build something as big as a shed, but do something outside of your comfort zone. All along this process, when we were unsure about anything, my dad would say, "There's only one way to find out. Try." I hope this inspires you to try something new, to make a commitment even if it seems daunting. You are capable of amazing things. As we wrap up the journey of building this shed, the work doesn't stop. I will keep creating in new ways in my brand new space so that others can find the joy I have in Jesus. I will write about it, make videos about it, whatever God puts on my heart, and I hope you enjoy all of the content to come. And always, always remember, your voice and your story matter too. I'm closing one chapter, but there is so much more to come. I love you. Stay tuned.